Hey guys, it's me, Mikey V, and today I present to you my Toy Story of Terror toy collection. So let's get to it with my friend Trixie. The sheriff is here. Alright guys, ladies and gentlemen, let's start off with Sheriff Woody. He can talk.
You're my favorite deputy. Yeah, okay, all right, okay, that is enough. What? No, you can't go.
And if you guys want to see this video, I really recommend you checking out my Toy Story 1, 2, 3, and 4 collections. They're better than this one because this is going to probably be a short or a full video. I don't know. You guys will have to see because, you know what? No, I lost his hat. I don't know where it is. I might know where Jesse's is. You guys can see back down there with Buzz. I want the signature Woody. I do not have it yet. This is the Disney Store Woody. I will get the signature, all the signatures, and the people that I buy them from will be rich because all these signatures are a lot of money for me. I'm gonna get Woody, Buzz, and Jesse, Mr. Potato Head, Rex, all of them soon. I have Mr. Prickleman, as you guys can see, and you can't see Trixie, but she's not yet, so she's down below Mr. Prickleman. But yeah, that's Sheriff Woody. Let's move on to Buzz Lightyear next. Oh, hi guys. I'm back. Okay, here's Buzz Lightyear. He can talk. Let me turn that guy on. Is he working now?
To infinity and beyond. It's a secret mission in uncharted space. Let's go. No time to explain. Attack. The slingshot maneuver is all we've got. Full speed ahead. This planet is toxic. Closing heaven to conserve oxygen.
He has this noising laser sound. And that's cool how it lights up. His arms go up and down. His head could turn. His helmet could go down, but mine has scratches because of damage that happens to this guy. His wings go down like that. Like, I can't get it down. I can't get them down and down like this one I can, but yeah, this one, but why not this one? Oh, alright, here we go. He has the karate chop action when you press this button. But yeah, that's pretty much Buzz Lightyear. Let's move on to Jessie next. Huh? Oh, okay. Hey guys, what do I mean, guys? Okay, it's Jessie. Yes, it's Jessie. And she can talk like Woody, Buzz, and probably Rex. And who else could talk here? Let me see. And that's it. Also, I'll say some words for you guys just to make up words. I don't know. Maybe.
Howdy, I'm Jessie. Don't worry. Jessie never gives up. Sweet mother of Abraham Lincoln. I'll call for help. This here cowgirl always finds a way. Sweet mother of Abraham Lincoln.
And one more, like I said, for Woody. Wait, no, I didn't say that. Whatever.
You're the rootinest, tootinest cowpoke in the whole Wild West.
I don't know. Maybe I did. But moving on to Rex next. Oh, it's you guys. Okay, Rex, enough with the funniness. Rex can talk. This is a newer Rex. You guys could watch the video I made about him. I was away. Don't worry that I'm in the bathroom. Just ignore that. Just look at the character. It's not the best video. I had to film it by myself. Most of these videos, I use my mom and dad to video for me, but right now it's like laying on a pillow on a bed. It's a different background from my Toy Story 1, 2, 3, and 4 videos because I wanted to change it up for the shorts. And yeah, let's actually show you some things he says.
Oh, I love play hunting, don't you? Out of my way! Powerful, terrifying dinosaur coming through! Roar! Roar!
Yeah, let's actually show you some things he says.
Oh, I love play hunting, don't you? Out of my way! Powerful, terrifying dinosaur coming through! Roar! Roar!
One more, guys.
See? I can be fearsome, even if my arms are short.
His tail's removable. I don't want to do it right now. And along with his legs are removable. But they're hard to get off once you put them on. It comes off, one leg comes off from the tail, but once you put them on, I don't think you're supposed to get them off unless you have a strong dad and will take them off. His head can turn, and yeah, if you didn't want to press his button, you could just make him talk like this. And this is what like the bottom of him looks like. You could see where the batteries would go. But yeah, that's Rex. Let's move on to Trixie next. Oh, where's Rex, my friend? Trixie, we just did Rex. But he is just right here. Oh, Rex, yay. Yeah, like I said, I'll make up some famous things, whatever. That wasn't that good. But yes, this is Trixie, her tail. I can't remember if it's removable. In Toy Story 3 or 4, I tried to see if it came off, and I don't think it is, but who cares about that? Her mouth can open and close. Her head can turn side to side. Her feet have some movement. All 4. And this is just what the bottom looks like, in case any of you guys wanted to know. This is not the cop version. This is not a 3D printed version. I just got this one online. It was cheap. You know, I had to have it for the collection. But yeah, that's Trixie. Moving on to Mr. Pricklepants next. Where's Mr. Pricklepants? Whoa. Oh, Buzz. Mr. Pricklepants, you made Buzz fall. Oh, Buzz, are you okay? Well, yeah, whatever. I don't care about you, Buzz. You can see Buzz. I love the Buzz's sound. I care about more. Yes, guys, this is Mr. Pricklepants. And, well, this is his signature collection, Mr. Pricklepants. He has this nice hard... Oh, my God. Push that back up. He has this nice hard hat. And I just always like that. I got this guy recently, around the end of school time, around June, I think. Same with my signature Buttercup that is not in this video. It's only Trixie and Mr. Pricklepants. I don't know why. In Toy Story 2, they only included 2 of the characters. They could have included Bonnie, the Peas in the Pod. Why is Totoro only in Toy Story 3? Why isn't I in 4? And in my Toy Story 4 collection, I missed Giggle McDimples and the Peas in the Pod are in the opening scene. So I will have to, I'll just make that video down in the future. But yeah, that's Mr. Pricklepants. Nothing to him. His arms he's soft, like a porcupine. But yeah, let's move on to Mr. Potato Head next, our last character. Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Potato Head. Oh, Mr. Potato Head, good introducing yourself. But I think everyone knows your name by now. You're a play school, everyone knows you. Too bad. Well, yeah, Mr. Potato Head. You guys don't know, his parts are removable like a real Mr. Potato Head. This is what the back looks like. But yeah, there's really nothing to Mr. Potato Head. He's just like Mr. Potato Head. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe. I will, hold on guys, I'm going to pause this video and look for, you guys know who is his name. Combat Carl, not Sarge. The Combat Carl. Is that their name? Yeah, Combat Carl. That's not his name, but whatever. But I'll look for you. I'll show you guys. If I can't find it, I will. Alright guys, I couldn't find him. Sorry, but like and subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye. Peace.